Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Reeve knives, small Sebenza 21 Spirograph Damascus blade. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So what do we have here is pretty rare, pretty pristine, absolutely perfect, small Sebenza 21 in a Spirograph Damascus Devin Thomas blade. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the contrast of this blade. Of course, we've got small Sebenza 21. This is titanium frame lock, sandblasted scales. Really cool. Little knife. It's an icon. I mean, does it need any presentation? This is a what, like 6.9 inch long overall with a 3-inch long blade and 3.7, 3.8 inch long handle. Absolutely fantastic EDC size. This is a very rare one indeed. It's not easy to find. Nice and beautifully polished hardware, simple construction, nice cutout here. There is no lock stick going on. Beautiful. Look, would you look at this? I mean, the highlight of this knife, of course, is this Spirograph from Devin Thomas. Beautiful blue accent anno thumb stud. Look at that. How cool is this? Fantastic. Really cool find. This is going to be used mostly for size comparison in my reviews, and I just love it. It's just a great little one. Fantastic hollow grind, beautiful drop point blade, fantastic crowning, nice jimping. The only thing I'm not a fan of it is this pocket clip over here. It's absolutely functional, yes, designed nicely, yes, but aesthetically, no. I'm not a fan of this guy, and probably I'm gonna find something nicer to put on. But overall, it's very cool. You have your lanyard hole pin, which is missing over here because I'm not really like a lanyard hole guy for the Sebenza, but it's just phenomenal. Looks good, feels good, sounds. Look at this. I mean, how classy is this? Very subtle sound. This is the small one, so much less noisy than the big one, and it's just a really cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.